This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your HYDRO-BLOK products. If you have any questions, contact your HYDRO-BLOK representative before you start installation. 1.5 or 2-inch thick HYDRO-BLOK building board can be used for building suspended benches, seats, and shelves. These structures can be glued into place using HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant and mesh tape without any additional supports or fasteners. For unsupported spans 18 inches or less, one single layer of building board can be used. For spans 18 inches to 36 inches, 2 layers of building board are required, with modified thinset applied in between, using a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch notched trowel. Determine the overall size and cut parts from the building board using a circular saw. Apply generous 1/2-inch beads of HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant to the back edges. Press the bench firmly into place while providing a slight slope toward the front to allow water to run off. Apply a 1/2-inch bead of HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant to the seams on top and bottom of the bench. Trowel the sealant flat and apply 2-inch mesh tape. Apply additional HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant on top of the mesh tape and trowel flat. Ensure the mesh tape is completely embedded. After curing, this suspended bench exceeds a live load over 550 pounds before tile. HYDRO-BLOK, the better shower system. Visit us online at hydroblok.com.